We are manufacturer of cable harness processing machines with more than 20 years experience. It is automatic cutting stripping machine for coaxial cables, new energy cables, PV cables. It uses rotating blades to ensure the cutting preciseness and safety to conductors. The cutting range is 3 to 32 mm outer diameter. Application of feeding machine ensures the cable being cut precisely. Servo motors and ball screw drives make machine with stable quality. For more details, please contact at 0086 177040602557 on WhatsApp or email info@kiran-king.com.